Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this video I would like to talk about pain and specifically back pain. And as always, this is not medical advice, so please check with your MD or alternative healing practitioner. I have a few selection of herbs and essential oils, and just do your own research. Most of these are safe, but just do your own research. If you're taking medication, please talk to your doctor or alternative healing practitioner. And this video is tailored for anyone who has pain, back pain, muscle pain, any type of pain, but specifically for people who have chronic illness. If you suffer from chronic Lyme disease, mold toxicity, chronic fatigue syndrome, fibromyalgia, this video might help you at least to just bring the pain down. And for me, with chronic Lyme disease, I've had many episodes of pain, and just sometimes very severe and stabbing pain. And this, in addition to many other symptoms, sometimes can be very unbearable. So the first herb that I have here is called wild lettuce, and this is an analgesic and anti-inflammatory. And if you're gonna notice throughout this entire video that most of the essential oils and the herbs are anti-inflammatory, for the exception of the kidney herbs, which we'll get into in a little bit. So going back to wild lettuce is a great pain herb. It's analgesic, it's anti-inflammatory, it's a muscle relaxant. When I took it, it just relaxes the entire body. It's similar to the effect of lavender essential oil, but for pain. So it relaxes the muscles, it relaxes just the tissue, the body. The only thing with wild lettuce, if you experience brain fog, sometimes it tends to make brain fog worse for whatever reason. So if you have chronic Lyme disease, mold toxicity, chronic fatigue, and or if you just have brain fog, I would advise to take like small doses of wild lettuce, because it can make brain fog worse, and that sleepy feeling with brain fog, it can get worse. But other than that, it's a great remedy for pain. The other one is Solomon seal, and Solomon seal is my favorite for all types of pain, especially muscle pain and deep type of pain. This is a great herb for that type of pain, and it's a tonic herb. It's also a nervine, so it helps with relaxation. In addition to being an anti-inflammatory, it also helps to relax the nervous system, calm down the nervous system. So it helps you relax and chill, and at the same time it helps with pain. Excuse me. And whenever I take it, if my pain is like a 10, it helps that pain to go down to a 5 within an hour. And then I take repeated doses, and it helps just to make the pain go way down. And I always do a combination of herbs and then essential oils, because topically you want to get the area, and at the same time you want to do it from the inside to lower the inflammation. The other ones that I have here is cat's claw and oil of oregano. And cat's claw, I have videos about cat's claw. This is a great herb. It's a great anti-inflammatory, it's antimicrobial. It's part of the Buhner protocol for chronic Lyme disease. And there are many studies. If you like to look at studies, this is a great herb just for many things, but it's great to keep inflammation down. It's also a great pain to help the liver function better, and it helps the liver from becoming overheated. And in Chinese medicine, if the liver becomes overheated, that's when you have a lot of issues. You have a lot of anger issues, irritation, and sometimes it can create wind condition, which the wind condition can become tics and spasms and fever, and it can eventually turn into seizures. So This herb helps the liver just calm down and helps the liver irritation go way down. And it's also a great anti-inflammatory for the entire system, for the entire body. Oil of oregano is also another good anti-inflammatory. I prefer the essential oil to the like taking it orally, but it it still does the job. It's a great anti-inflammatory. It's also a good antimicrobial. And if you have lower back pain, if there is like an infection with the kidneys, oil of oregano and cat's claw can help with that, because sometimes lower back pain can be a sign that the kidneys are overworking for whatever reason. The other herbs that I have here is Patchoul Leaves, and this is for the kidneys. I also have Germander herb, and this is also for the kidneys. Uvairsi, and this is another one for the kidneys. So all of these herbs have work on the kidneys, and that's what they have in common. They are diuretics. They help the kidney function better. So that's why I included them. They're not particularly anti-inflammatory, but they help the kidneys just function better. And sometimes when you have lower back pain, especially like stabbing back pain, that is a sign that the kidneys are overworking and they need support. So if you take any of these herbs, the Patchoul Leaves, the Germander, the Uvairsi, or even if you take like a complex that has kidney support, that would help with the back pain. Solomon seal, also going back to Solomon seal, it helps to it helps the kidneys, and it also helps the fluids in the body. In Chinese medicine, it helps with the yin. So sometimes if your body is too dry, that can create also pain. And Solomon seal, because it's tonic, it can help generate body fluids. So it's a great herb also for helping the kidneys and just helping the body function better. It's also adaptogenic, just like ashwagandha, if you have heard about ashwagandha. I also have essential oils here for pain, and most of these essential oils are anti-inflammatory. Some of them are stronger than others. So I have ginger essential oil, and this is a great anti-inflammatory essential oil. It helps just relax the tissues. It helps with inflammation. I have frankincense, and it also helps with inflammation. It helps relax the tissue. It also helps relax the nervous system, the mind. So is lavender. Lavender is a great anti-inflammatory. It's also very relaxing for the nervous system. So it helps calm the mind and just the nervous system. I have oregano. This one is oreganum, which is oregano essential oil, and this is also oregano is also great as a topical anti-inflammatory. It helps with pain and it helps calm down the inflammation and relax the tissue, and it also helps kill any because it's antimicrobial. It helps to kill if there is like an infection in the area. I have clove, and clove is a great essential oil for pain. It's analgesic, and it's used a lot for dental issues. If you have toothache, if you have nerve pain, this is a great essential oil. The only thing is it's drying, so I would suggest using this one with carrier oil. And the best carrier oil is castor oil, because castor oil is also great for pain. So if you use clove with essential oil with castor oil, you get a double effect, because castor oil helps get deeper into the tissue, and you need to get castor oil that is hexane free and cold pressed, just because it's a better value. So yeah, castor oil, it would be a great carrier oil. If you don't have castor oil, you can use coconut or grapeseed oil, but castor oil would help a lot with pain as well. And you can combine these essential oils with each other, or you can use them separately. The most potent ones here would be clove, oregano, and ginger, but the lavender and frankincense can be helper as far as relaxing the nervous system and just calming down the nervous system, in addition to becoming to being anti-inflammatory, but they're not as potent. So hopefully this video helps you if you have back pain, if you have muscle pain, if you just suffer from pain. This is some of the herbs and essential oils that I use in my own treatment and in my own journey. And if you have any suggestions, if you have any essential oils or products that you used for pain, please leave them in the comment section. If you have any questions, please ask, and I will do my best to get back to you. And please like and subscribe, it helps the channel grow, and see you guys in the next video. Bye.